Hello everyone, my name is Anazim here, or CKB909, and today we're going to get on to explaining how to make this reusable gas mask, respirator in my case, because I do not have an activated charcoal in it. My last video was explaining the difference between a gas mask and a respirator, and then I got on to how to make a non-reusable gas mask like this one. It's the exact one. So today I'm just going to explain how to make this reusable one. It's pretty simple. It's the same concept using this. You're going to cut the top off your 2 liter. Your materials are a 2 liter bottle, scissors, marker or something to mark with, something pointy. Preferably this Arizona bottle, especially if you're going to use a 2 liter. This Arizona bottle is like $2, maybe $1. Don't remember. The reason why I use these is because the cap is large enough where you can get it. Gonna stop? No? Okay. So next, the reason why is because we're gonna use the cap of it because it allows a more airflow. This is PVS plastic, so it's kind of hard to get holes in. I use a soldering iron to just make those small little holes. So let's get on to actually make it. So again, you just do the exact same thing. Mark roughly around your wrinkles are when you raise your eyebrows. You're gonna mark at the end of each of the bottle. Around where your chin is. My chin again was around here, but I just gave myself a little bit more room so it can make a tighter seal. It's a major thing we want to. So once you're done making this, then you get your duct tape. Get your duct tape, and you're just gonna line all the way around, even on top, even on the top. So top on the sides, just so it's more of a quality of life thing, and so there's no imperfections in the seal. So once you're done doing that, I cut mine on the side just so I can make this an exhaust port. I'm going to make another video later on explaining how this thing works and also how to build one. So yeah, so I just cut a hole small enough for this to fit sort of through. Once I'm done doing that, I super hot glued it. I hot glued the outside, and then I hot glued the inside, and then I put tape around so I can make sure it's a tight enough seal. Once I'm done doing that, just close it, breathe in. If it forms around me, I should be good. So next, how to make the actual filter. So what you want to do is you want to cut the bottle roughly in half. So I cut it around here. Got the bottle around here, so just this big rivet. Cut this one in half, and took this off, and then cut this other half off. And I made a slit down, going down, just so I can put the bottles together. I did have to cut a little bit more just so it fits properly, but that's just trial and error basically. Once I'm done doing that, now you have your 2 halves. Now you're gonna get your coffee filters or cotton pads. You're gonna put one at the bottom here. Then you want to put one at the top too, so like this, and also one at the bottom. Once you're done doing that, you're going to put the activated charcoal at the bottom of the filter, and then you're going to just put them together and tape it. Make sure you have the holes. It should be common sense. Make sure you have the holes. So in doing that, you should have a small filter. This bottle should fit onto the cap that you either hot glued or taped in. You can tape it at the bottom. That's a preference thing. I didn't do that because I put a exhaust port basically at the bottom of this so I could breathe better, so I can not suffocate basically with carbon dioxide. So now you have your own reusable homemade gas mask. Your straps are up to you. I just did a strap along the top and a strap around the back. So like this. So yeah, that's how you make your reusable homemade gas mask. So if you would like to leave a like button and subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. Leave a comment if you want to. Leave any comments if you're confused about anything. In my next video, I'll explain anything. I'll explain it, your questions, and help you out if you need any help. My Instagram is in the description. Instagram is also in the description. Like and subscribe. Be greatly appreciated again. And that's it. See you in the next video. See ya, guys.